I actually think that OpenAI has a substantial lead, and I actually think that lead is likely to grow in the next year. And let me tell you why. I think it's got a couple of assets here that are hard to replicate. So number one, user attention. I think they've now got, I would guess, hundreds of millions of users, and this thing is hot on like wildfire. It's really captured the public's imagination, and people are discovering new use cases for it every day. Number two is, with this developer platform, I think we should describe a couple of other features of it. One of the problems with ChatGPT, if you've used it, is that the training data ends in 2021. And so you very rapidly, for many questions, get to a stopping point where it says, like, I don't know the answer to that because I don't have any information about the last 2 years. Well, one of the plugins that OpenAI has introduced itself is called the browsing plugin. And it allows ChatGPT to go search the internet and not just run internet searches, but to run an internet search as if it were a human. You ask ChatGPT a question and it goes to find, it runs a search, and then it scours through the list of 20 links, and it doesn't stop until it finds a good answer. And then it comes back to you with just the answer. So it actually saves you the time of clicking through all those loops, and it'll give you the browsing history to show you what it did. That's mind-blowing. So you're going to have more and more developers sharing information with ChatGPT. You're going to have ChatGPT able to update its training based on the last 2 years, being able to search the internet. And I think that as those hundreds of millions of users use the product, and as developers keep sharing more and more of these data sets, the AI is going to get smarter and smarter. And then what's going to happen is both consumers and developers are going to want to use or build on the smartest API.
Yeah, see, this is where
so it feeds on itself.